it's Yvonna here from Enjoy Your Life Coaching and Healing with another little tip on how to save some more money. Actually, a substantial sum of money. But let's get into this one. It may sound very easy and very simple, but for a lot of people this is quite hard to do. So I would like you to have a look at all your memberships, all your subscriptions and all your marketing emails and see if you really need to have that, to have the marketing emails come in and to have the membership and the subscriptions going. Because there are a lot of unused, for example, gym memberships. A lot of people have gym memberships and they hardly ever use it. So have a look into that and see if it's not worth more for you to pay as you go, so per time that you go to the gym, instead of paying a membership that runs and runs and runs and you only go like twice a month. You know, and there's a lot of exercise that you can do without having to pay for a subscription, like walking, running, jogging, cycling, whatever. There's so many things. You'll work it out for yourself. So have a look at any subscriptions, magazines or any other subscriptions that you have. Are they actually beneficial for you? Do you get happy when you are using whatever your subscription is for? Because if it doesn't make you happy anymore, then why have it, you know? I mean, it's the same with the newspaper. Personally, I never have had a subscription to any of the newspapers, but I did enjoy reading the really local one for here that was delivered free to the mailboxes, but they've stopped doing that now. The local newspaper has a better mix of happy stories and I don't know, negative stories. So I didn't mind reading that too much, and I really liked the puzzles in it. But I wouldn't go out and buy a newspaper, and I definitely would not have a subscription to a newspaper, because most of the newspapers, if it's the national section or the worldwide section, it usually concentrates on really bad things and it does not make me feel good. I don't enjoy reading so many people got killed there and there, etc. You know, for me it's very important to keep my vibrations high. And I think it's very important for a lot of people, but a lot of people may not actually realize that. Recently, over the last year, I have talked to a few people who have been depressed. And the funny thing is that they either read every single newspaper, or at least 3 a week, and they watch the news. So, to be honest, if you want to get out of the low feelings, turn off the TV, put on a DVD or something that's nice and light and lovely and airy. Don't turn on the news and don't look at newspapers. And that's just a side point to the money vlog. Anyway, so keep happy and unsubscribe from all unused, paid for memberships, subscriptions, and definitely marketing emails. So if you do those 3 things, you will save a lot of time and a lot of money. With the marketing emails, they have a way of telling you, you need this. And if you don't receive the email, you won't be made to feel that you need that. You won't see it, so it's not in your awareness that the thing exists. So that means that you don't need it because you're happy with your life as it is, right? And it will save you a lot of time reading through all the marketing emails. I've actually set up a email address, a separate email address, and it is only for spam. So if I see a website and they give away a free MP3 or whatever, I give them my spam email address. It's that particular email address, so that all their emails go to that email address and I don't waste my time. So once they say that it's sent, then I go into that email address and I spend maybe 10 minutes deleting all the emails from the companies that send me emails there. You just type in the search, you type the name of the company, all those emails come in. You may want to quickly scroll through, and otherwise you just press delete and they're all gone. There's no real emails in there, just your spam emails. So all the marketing emails go there. I find the one that I need, download whatever I wanted to download, and then let it go. I'll let it rest again for, say, half a year. Seriously, I do not like spam emails. I don't like marketing emails. I don't like people contacting me to sell me things. That's why I actually don't have a regular newsletter either. I think I may have sent one out last year. Yeah, it might have been January last year. So that's, where are we now? April. 16 months ago that I've sent my last email newsletter to all of the people in my email files. I don't like it, so I don't hassle people either. But on that note, Money Vlog is very interesting, and you can share it with your friends. You can send the videos on to your friends. You can share it on Facebook and things like that. You can subscribe to my channel. You can watch all the videos on my Money Vlog, and you will be a lot less stressed about where you are financially, because you can see a light at the end of the tunnel. And it's very important to actually see somewhere, set all these little action steps, and your goal will go there. It'll be awesome. I'm really looking forward to hearing the feedback from my daily videos about from people about how they have implemented things and how things have worked out in their favor. But I'm guessing because there's a lot of things to do with bills and invoices and things like that, it will take a few months before people will see real results on where they are financially compared to right now before they watch the vlog, and say in a couple of months' time. They may have saved, say, $200. Hey, if it's $200, I'm happy for you. If you've changed your mindset, I'm even more happy for you, because the better your mind is, your mind frame is, your frame of mind, I mean, or your mindset, the better you're going to be able to achieve all your goals. Oh, and by the way, I've got a goal setting video or 3 on here as well, 4. Thank you very much for watching. This was Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life Coaching and Healing, and I hope you're watching some more of my videos. Thank you, and see you later.